Today, in our technical plastering segment, we're going to do the joints for plywood.
When you have plywood, I have 4 sheets on a floor. Yes? Here, it's a veneer that we put directly because there is plywood veneer, there is lowered veneer, and so on. It's when we join the 2 sheets or the 4 sheets together on a floor to prevent water from getting between the sheets. I'm going to use my membrane, which is this one right here, and I'm going to make it a little bit wider so that we don't end up seeing a bump directly on top. I've just moved it away directly.
It's about filling.
The same process. For anything that's wood, we recommend using the elastic for applying on the joints, on the screw heads and all that. After that, we'll go with the RLX, which will apply a full coat of on top to make sure we're covered. When working on plywood, we recommend 2 coats.
2 coats of this
Product? Yes. Of the product itself?
We're going to do exactly the same thing again.
Yes.
Okay. So now, Michel, we're taking another product that's pretty much the same as this one, but more liquid.
Yes, it's the same one. The product we use when we talk about the RLX product in a roller application is always for working on a floor, always with a 15 millimeter. If I work with a 25 to 30 millimeter, the problem that will happen is that you'll have trouble applying the product because it's quite thick. You see, I'm going back over my seam.
Ideally, it really does take 2 coats. It needs to be very opaque.
Yes, the more opaque it is, the more the material reacts, the more watertight it will become, like that. Do you want to try it, Rael, on this side? Your roller is coming out. I think you didn't put it in properly. There.
Is there a right way to put the rollers in, Michel? Yes, there is. How do you know which way it goes?
When you see your roller always coming out at the end, it's when you press, you see it goes in. It's at this end here that you'll insert it this way. If I go to the other side, and I roll it like this. That's why your roller comes out on that side like that. It's because your roller has a specific direction for the product itself. It's normal if you didn't understand anything. Look, it's coming back up. This is the installation method as
such. There are already people calling about your thing, Michel. Yes.
On the edges of your sheet, it's important to take the product and use a brush to go all around the edge of your board to make sure water doesn't end up delaminating your sheet.
So, Michel, now we're ready to cover this?
Yes, we always use a 15 millimeter. I don't need to put on a thick layer for my first coat. It's just to cover my base. Normally, let's say 12 hours later or 24 hours later.
The next coat.
To roll on the second coat.
Already it covers pretty well with just 1 coat.
Yes. So if my product has been out in the sun, you have to be careful and add water to it. In a small container, you can add up to a cup of water. For an 18-liter container, you'll add 1 liter of water. I'll try it for you.
You didn't put your roller the right way?
No, but it's not a big deal.
I like painting this. I actually prefer painting this over regular paint.
When a balcony is closed in, we're talking about plywood. Normally, the requirement is a 24-inch gap with airflow underneath because the moisture from the ground will end up rotting your wood from below. The sealant, that's the one we call the 1.30 meter sealant. That's the one you apply directly. If we were talking about a shed, I would recommend an HD sealant, which is a solvent-based sealant.
Okay, so that wouldn't be the same as this one?
No, this one is water-based. When you have a solvent-based sealant, it's more resistant in the sense that if you want to bring your lawnmower or anything else inside or drag things in, it's better. The HD sealant is applied directly onto concrete. You can apply it on wood. You can use it on any kind of floor overlap. We're talking about paving stones.
Yes.
We're talking specifically about concrete driveways in particular.
Wait a second, you can put that on interlocking pavers?
Yes. Oh, really? Directly on the interlocking pavers, okay? The only thing is you always have to use your surface prep to clean your concrete beforehand.
Yes, I understand.
It's really important to apply the sealant at a real 1.3 meters for a reason, because since it's a dead product, it's something that will stain more easily. That's why we require a sealant at 1.30 meters directly on top.
If you have any questions about the recipes or the steps, go to textmove.com.